Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you what to do when you have forgotten your lock screen password. So actually, at first, when you don't want to lose your data, what I recommend is to contact the official OPPO, contact OPPO on their official website that you have forgotten your lock screen password, and you have the proof of purchase and you want to access this phone again. They will do something about this when you know your Google ID and your OPPO account ID and its password. You'll gain access to your phone, but of course it's paid issue. It doesn't come to warranty because it's your own problem that you have forgotten this password. Apart from that, what I do recommend actually doing when it's not paid but you'll lose all your data is to do a factory reset. To do a factory reset, at first you have to turn off this phone. To do so, click the volume up button and power, and slide this circle to the power off. Wait a few seconds till your phone vibrates and completely shuts down. And now hold the volume down and power button till you see your phone goes on. And now you can lower the pressure on the power button. Just hold the volume down button. This will make you enter the recovery mode. As you can see, now we have the menu to change the language. Let's select English over here. Power button to confirm. Click the volume button to power button to click the format data. Rewrite this verification code over here. Confirm, and then you will have your phone completely formatted. But you have to remember that after the formatting, when you have your data on your phone, there's something called the Google FRP, which is, of course, the tool that doesn't let the robbers use your phone after stealing it. So you have to know your Google account and its password and enter the password. Meantime, the process of the setup back again to this phone. And it's very useful, but you have to remember this password. If you don't want to do this on your own, but of course it's easy, and the only thing you will lose is your data, you can go to the Authorized service center with a proof of ownership. But here, via the recovery mode, it's easy because the only thing you'll have to do is to set up your phone back again. And actually that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and leave a like under this video. It's really important to us to have your feedback, so please leave your feedback in the comment section down below. Goodbye!